So today we're going to be talking about a motorcycle phone mount. Let's go ahead and get this out and see what we got in the box. Now I can already tell just by holding just this one piece, this is some serious metal on this thing, so that is fantastic. So you can see there is a nice adjustable ball for this with a nice U-ring attachment, so it'll attach to pretty much any bar that is within that width, of course. And it comes with a nice little 14mm wrench, and of course the phone holder itself. Now it says that this is supposed to be for a 5 to 7 inch phone, so just go ahead and know that. And as you can see, there is a lot of settings on this, and what's nice is you basically unscrew this and it has a spring in there that automatically pushes that open, and you pop that over top of that ball spring. Let's keep on going. I don't want to go too far. Sorry. Well, that actually goes open a lot further than I thought it did, which will actually make that come out too. Which I guess I should have made. That should have been my first thought, that if the bottom one doesn't come out, the top one's not going to come out. And then you just go ahead and tighten that up. And how this will work is you can see that it has a lot of articulation so that you can twist and turn this thing however you want. But the idea is that once you get it onto the bike how you want it, you tighten that down and that does not move. Now you can tighten it down even further to get it, but I'm now using a pretty good amount of strength to turn that. So let's go ahead and see how this works. Looks like we have some ones in the back that twist that allow you to expand it out and in, and it looks like they are not tied together, so you can twist and pull them individually to get the width that you need. And you'd want to do this before you, of course, set up your phone, before you start riding. And that is spring-loaded, so I would think you'd have it like this on your bike, and then press down on it to hold it, and that will hold very well. It's got, you can see, rubberized pieces that are holding that on. And then once you get your phone in here to the right width, you probably want to tighten these down so that it holds your phone in correctly. I would probably actually mount like this so that when you get on your bike, you just press up on it to mount it, and then my power buttons are free of this thing, so that whenever it's on your bike, you can adjust it to be just the right angle for you, and that'll hold very well. Like I said, these are rubberized, and you can see exactly it has a pretty good depth on holding that in, so that thing is not coming out. If you wanted to, you can actually tighten this down to make sure that that doesn't move up and down also, and then that won't even come out at all. So if you want to make sure, if you're on a long haul, and you want to make sure that it doesn't come out and it's not going to be bouncing, you can always tighten this up on the back once you get it in to tighten it, and then you can unloosen it so that you can pull it in and out. So that is a pretty heavy duty mount. It looks like you have another mount here if you have something else that you can mount directly to it, but I don't see. You would use this connector here if you have that type of mount already on your bike, and then you could just screw that directly to that. But if you just want to go straight to your handlebar, you can do it that way. So it's pretty cool. Very nice heavy duty mount. This thing has got some serious weight to it. So if you're looking for a really heavy duty rubberized holding mount for your phone, check it out.